So after we grade the quizzes and look at the data on the phone, looking at the data on the computer is a little bit more in depth. So at the very top of the quiz here, it gives me the same data I would have seen online. 7 papers graded, 10 questions. Average was a 2.6. Max score was a 6. Minimum was a 1. Here's your nice little histogram breakdown. One kid is really, really good at randomly guessing things that I'm writing on papers. Whatever. Again, you can also scroll down and look at each individual kid's grades, as well as the percent that was correct or wrong. So like number 8, not a single kid got it right. Number 7, 57% of the kids actually guessed that properly. And then the right side gives you the alternate answers that kids gave. If you wanted to give kids their scores back, because when ZipGrade grades, it doesn't actually mark the paper, you can go to Export as PDF and a strip report. And when you actually open this guy up, it's going to tell you the incorrect answers for each kid. So if you print off this sheet, cut them into little strips, hand them out to the kids, this will give them a very easy indication of what they should go back and look at. So this can actually allow you to kind of guide your specific lessons based on what kids do or don't know. In terms of common assessment data, if you want to compare with other teachers throughout your curriculum team, or if you just want to try to improve what you're doing specifically, this item analysis is really nice. So essentially it's going to take all of that data and throw it into an Excel file. Now, I don't care about questions 11 through 20 because there weren't those questions. Now, the stuff that really matters, and this looks like a lot of things, is this P-score. This P-score is the percentage of children that got the question right. And so go ahead and get rid of all the decimals. Realistically, 0% of the kids got number 8 right, 57% got number 7 right, 29% got number 3 right. The other thing that's kind of neat is this area here. This area, the A frequency, B frequency, C frequency, D frequency, etc. Do a nice little red. This is specifically what the distribution of children that guessed each specific answer. So for instance, for number 7, I know that 4 was the right answer, but I had 2 kids put A, and I had 2 kids put, one kid put B. If I look at number 2 up here, I had 3 kids put C. I only had 1 kid put B, which was the correct answer. Right now, you've got a bunch of different score sheets where every kid wrote their name on it. And there's a better way. I want to take you back to, if I go to this classes area, notice how I can't download anything cool for this fake YouTube class. But if I go to one of my other classes, let's say my earth science class, and I download their answer sheet, I actually happen to have answer sheets that already have the kids' names printed on it and their ZipGrade ID filled out. And so what this is going to do for me is when I print this out, this will actually keep track of a specific kid throughout the entire semester, and I can actually track all of their data inside of the ZipGrade app on our phone.
For this section, we are going to look at complete class data. And to do that, I'm going to use the Earth Science set because I don't have any data in that fake class. If I go down to Anthony Lynch's name, you can see that he has 7 different quizzes or tests from throughout the semester. And what this allows me to do is save all of his work without keeping paper copies of anything.